So, storefront URL. That is something that we create that enables us to game the Amazon SEO system. And we do it by inserting keywords into the URL and then giving the URL to things like Facebook and Google AdWords and things like that as a way of getting people to go to our product page. Well, we don't come to our product page. I'll show you in a second what happens. They come to our product, they click through, and then they come purchase, and then what happens is we trick Amazon into believing that the search was done naturally through Amazon. And it's a brilliant strategy to rank products, something I talk a lot about in my SEO course. However, here's the thing. Firstly, if you come to this page and this page here direct, then if you look at this URL, I'm not going to get too techie and geeky with you. So if you look at that URL, this part here, UTF-8 and QID, and then that number string there, that's something called a timestamp, all right? So that timestamp is how Amazon knows that a new person, a new session was started on Amazon, all right? And it's a very, very important part of the SEO equation. So if you just use that URL, which has also got vitamin C serum in there as a keyword, if you just use that, you don't do very well for SEO, because what Amazon sees is the same URL being used over and over and over again, because it tracks that timestamp there. So it's like the same person at 2 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's that URL again, what we got used earlier. It's exactly the same URL, it's exactly the same person, and Amazon discounts it. All right, so that's the background to a custom URL. So with that little bit of training done, here's how to create a custom URL. So we want to rank for the keywords vitamin C serum, all right? That's the keywords we're going to go after. So what you do is come to your product on Amazon, and then up here where it says in stock, sold by, you want to click on your name. That's where it'll be there, your name for your business name, your seller, forward facing seller name. And then you're going to go to natural care storefront, click on that. And now, if we look over here in the search box, it says natural and care. And these are all the products that that company sells, all right? Now we put our keyword in, vitamin C serum. So now we put our keyword in, hit on search again. This URL is different. So it's a little bit messed up here because there's actually 2 vitamin C serums that they're selling, but usually you wouldn't have that happening. Usually they just sell 1 vitamin C serum, okay? So let's pretend that they do only sell 1. So if you look at the keyword now, there's no timestamp in this URL. So you can see there's no timestamp there. And we've got the field keywords as vitamin plus C plus serum. So everything is now in place to use this URL. So how the hell do we use it? Well, if you are sending traffic to your Amazon product listing, there are 2 sorts of traffic. There is cold traffic and warm traffic. Now, warm traffic is traffic that's already been sold. They already know about your product. They already know that they want to buy your product, and now all they're doing is going to the product page, ready to add your product to their basket before they check out. That's warm traffic, and typically warm traffic would be when you have done a coupon offering because they want to use their coupon code to go buy the product on Amazon. So typically, if they've got a coupon, you can send them directly to your page, and that's A-OK, all right? However, for the most part, when you're doing other search, like Hitton says, if they're coming from a landing page or from Facebook offers or something like that, which is going to be colder traffic, so they haven't yet decided they want to buy, I would send them to this page, because here, they come here, they look at the product, they've come to Amazon, so you get to take them to Amazon, which is awesome. People like Amazon, people trust Amazon, people know they're going to get a good deal on Amazon. So now when they come here, they come to a page like this, they can click through, they come here and they can say, yes, I like that product, I'm going to find out more about it. They can click through onto your product page, and then they're in that. Now they're much more likely to buy. Now the importance of that is conversion rates, on-page conversion rates. So Amazon tracks absolutely everything on a page, and Amazon tracks the number of people who come to your product page and then add your product to their shopping cart and then check out. That process is called a session. That's what that's called, an in-session. And so the more people that do that, the better. The higher percentage of people that do that, the better. Because what that tells Amazon is your page converts really well. And what that will tell Amazon to do is to send more people to your product page, because Amazon will make more money by doing that. Amazon's tracking everything. All things being equal, if there is a product that converts people at 12% and another vitamin C product that converts people at 15%, the 15% conversion rate will get the majority of the traffic that's available. All right? Very, very important distinction to make, because Amazon's there to make money. So the more you can help Amazon make money, the better. So, Hiten, the short answer to that is it depends on your traffic source, and I think that I've explained in great detail the longer version of that. So I hope, my friend, that makes sense to you. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.